I'm Jeff Fleming, an estate planning and elder law attorney in Altoona, Pennsylvania. One of the questions that I get asked almost every day is, what about my home? Is it a protected asset? And I'm asked this question in terms of nursing home concerns. And so what we're really talking about is what happens to the home if a spouse or a loved one goes into the nursing home. And there's a couple of parts to the answer. First, under Pennsylvania law, the home is an exempt asset. That means that the person going into the nursing home does not necessarily have to sell it in order to pay for nursing home care. The other aspect is with regard to medical assistance or Medicaid. The idea of Medicaid is that the government, if you qualify, will pay for the cost of nursing home care, again, if you qualify. And qualification means that you have a certain limited amount of resources or assets that you can have. But when you're figuring out what the amount is, it excludes certain assets, those that are exempt. And the home is one of those. So for example, if you own your home but you have no other assets, then you could qualify for medical assistance, even though you own your home. So that's the good news. There are some steps that you need to take to preserve that exempt status, and you should certainly review that with an attorney that focuses practice in this area. The other thing to keep in mind is that during your lifetime, your home may be protected, but there is an estate recovery program. This means that while the government may pay for your nursing home care during your lifetime, at death, if there's an asset in your estate, such as your home, then it may have to be sold at that point to reimburse the government. So please, you should need to know what the estate recovery is and how it impacts those assets you get to keep, such as your house, during the estate administration process following your death. For additional information in this particular area, or to take advantage of a free initial consultation with me at my law firm, feel free to call me at 814-943-5500.